Your city, excited to see your face. Come on, don't leave me. It can't be that easy, babe. If you believe me. Okay, it's my first day of summer and I'm making cinnamon rolls. Yeah, my goal this summer is to learn how to make and bake like as many things by myself as I can. So like the first day that I was home alone, I made cookies. And today I'm making cinnamon rolls. Even though they're packaged, I feel like it's still like okay to be like learning how to make them. And then once I get better, I can learn how to like make them from scratch. Cause I'm one of those people that I'm like, if you can read, you can cook. So, yeah.